네덜란드에서 온 크리머의 카운팅 해가지고 사체 모션으로 기계는 가와시마 거 드립니다. 이것은 네덜란드에서 온 카운팅 머신입니다. 냉동, 냉장, 식품 카운트하는 머신. 이 기계가 12만 유로 정도 되니까 한화로 roughly how much is this cost?
This machine,
Roughly
roughly around 120,000 euro.
120,000 유로. 저 12만 유로니까 한 1억 8천 정도 되려나? 유로니까 1억 8천 정도 되겠네. 요거.
There
with is the capacity and the precision for the
For this type of product, the size of this product, around 700 a minute.
700 minute.
700 a minute.
700개 1분당 700개 빼내고 and accuracy
100%.
100%.
If I can separate them. If I put too much here,
여기 많이 너무 안 있으면
this.
여기서
I
이제 이렇게
but never undercount. Undercount impossible. Sometimes when you have a lot of products, then I have overcounts. So otherwise 100%.
If I have a little bit sticky product, then how can
I need to check it. I need to test it.
I see.
If it's too sticky, it probably goes too slow. But if it's sticky,
약간 그 끈적인 것은
if I cannot separate it, then I can't count it.
오케이. 그런 것은 조금
I need to
어렵고.
separate it.
And then we need more longer this.
No, we don't want to make longer. If it doesn't,
요 사이즈만 만드네.
it doesn't. This is the size.
Yes.
But if it's frozen, it's not sticky. So this action for frozen
그러니까
is
약간
very good.
냉동 이렇게 딱 건조된 거 냉동도 우선 그거 위주. And then what is the minimum size for this machine? Minimum
size for this machine,
5
millimeters.
5 millimeter.
But
And about the small
for seeds.
Seeds.
Yeah, seeds is 0.5 millimeter. Less than 1 millimeter.
10.
Yeah, well, not with this machine, but I have a seed counter.
I see. Okay.
If you want, I can show you a video.
Send me. Because
Good.
last Interpack, you exhibited in the Interpack?
Yeah.
Really? At the time I was
with the seed counter. The seed counter was there.
I see.
All the counters. This one, pharmaceutical counters.
I see.
We only make counting machines. Pharmaceutical, frozen food,
I see.
industrial, seed. Evening. Yes, I'll see you tomorrow.